In this guide video, I'm going to walk you through on how to remove suggested for you on Facebook. You can frequently see these kind of posts which says suggested for you. Now these pages are suggested to you based upon your interactions that you made on your Facebook. Now there is no permanent way of removing these suggested for you pages. If you don't like a particular post or a particular page that you see, you can just tap on the three dots and tap on show less. Once you do this step a couple of times, Facebook algorithm will start to show you less of these posts. And the second thing that you can do is, if you come across certain posts that you like, you can tap on the three dots again and tap on show more. And these posts that you like will start to show more. But however, if you don't like to see this post right now, you can tap on the hide post option and the post will be removed from your feed. But however, there is no option of completely removing these suggested pages. Like I said, if you want to see certain content that you like, you can tap on show more, or you can also interact with these pages by reacting to these posts, or you can also add in comments. When you interact with any page or content on Facebook, the algorithm of Facebook will start to show you more of those content. So that's the way that you can remove suggested for you on Facebook. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.